This fold-down windshield is made exclusively for the Jake's Baja cage system. Made of 1/4-inch acrylic, this windshield bolts directly to the Baja cage using stainless steel hardware. The rubber bushings included helps give it a snug, vibration-free fit. It includes all mounting hardware and a rubber gasket that helps seal between the bottom of the windshield and the cowl. The windshield is made to accommodate most LED light bars that will attach to the top crossbar and is also shatter and crack resistant. When you open your box, you'll notice that the windshield has a protective film. Before pulling off the protective film, test fit your windshield on the struts to make sure you have the correct one. Once you pull the protective film off the windshield, it is no longer eligible for return. It also has a false bottom that keeps the hardware separate from the windshield. This windshield is proudly made in the USA.